But yeah, so I'm really excited. I just feel really happy and I just want to feel good. And so today, we're going to be good. Good morning.
Lady running down to the Riptied, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you sing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I want to be daring, baby, dancing.
Hello, so I'm just going to go to F45 at 7 o'clock and it's almost 7, so I should probably go. Goodbye.
Being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
I just went to F45. It was really hard. As you can tell, I'm red and sweaty.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
Hey guys, so I am back with a vlog today. Me and my sister are going to IKEA and I just thought I'd vlog the day and see how it goes. Yeah. So I've been to F45 this morning at 7 o'clock and then I filled up petrol and came home, had a shower. As you can tell from this wet hair, it's not just greasy or sweaty. And so now I'm going to do my makeup. Queens. I'm actually pretty keen. Feeling very positive today. Positive vibes. Happiness is our goal, but we have to have sadness to appreciate the good times in life, you know? And I feel like since I started, so I started F45 about like 4 weeks ago, and since I started that, life has been like so much better, which I am quite tired, but you know, that's what comes with exercising, but that's when you have to get to bed early.
All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I hear music playing so loudly, sing me now when the night wide awake.
And then the best thing is pawpaw. It glosses your lips and hydrates them.
We don't need to explain everything.
Let's get on to breakfast.
All we
Yo!
need is to feel.
We are back in Holly's kitchen.
We don't have to
What do I feel like? I can't have bread. We don't have any bread. So I'm going to have porridge. Basically. I have about 1/3 of a cup of oats. English breakfast.
So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. I've been in your waters. I know I can for sure.
We are in IKEA. We are trying to find spots everywhere. Like black and white little spots. So I'll keep you updated.
Ooh, this is pretty cool. It's pretty challenging.
It looks way cooler than us. We might have spotties. Really cute. Spots. The hanging wall. Spots. How cool are these? Look, it is cool. Look at it. They're hooks. Look how cute they are, the teeth. Guys, I have plants. I really wanted to show you what I got from IKEA. I did get like these little baby succulent plants. They're really cute. I'll show you them now. They're like so adorable and they're teeny. This one's my favorite. But yeah, I bought some succulents and they're really adorable. And then I bought this bigger plant that I'm gonna pot, and I'm gonna do a whole video of me potting all my plants for my new house. IKEA is really good. If you have an IKEA where you live, you should go there because it's really good for home stuff. Yeah, and then I got these jars. They got like a cork lid on them, and it comes with another one, and then baby ones. I find like little things so cute. Look, I got sunglasses. These are what they look like. They're so nice. I don't know, I never go out and buy sunglasses. Like, I don't really wear sunglasses that much, but when I tried them on, I was like, oh my goodness, Talia, do you like these? And she said she loved them. We just came back from the shops, and basically I just got changed. I had a little snack, and then now we're going to go to my cousin's house and we're going to have a boards game night. And yeah, so that should be exciting. So I'll bring you along with me.
Sit. Job turbo. Like, we do the meat and we do cheese and then we grill it to melt it, and then we do the topping of cameras on me. We do the topping after it's
You're the
out
boss.
of this.
Yeah, it's not a boomerang, just keep eating. Like, do.
Everyone needs to know what we're doing.
We all choose the chip. We all choose the chip.
Hey guys, so I just got back from my cousin's house, 11:20. So I'm just gonna hit the hay. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, comment, subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. I'm thinking that it might be every Wednesday. Look at my fluffy jumper. It looks pink because of the lights.